Do you have $100 and want to start investing but don't know where to begin? You're not alone. Starting small can lead to big rewards over time. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to invest your first $100 and grow your wealth over time, even if you're a total beginner. Why start with $100? You might think $100 isn't enough, but it's a powerful start. Investing early builds the habit, and thanks to compound interest, even small amounts can grow significantly over the years. Key investment options for beginners. Here are a few beginner-friendly options for investing $100. 1. Stocks. You can buy fractional shares of companies like Apple or Tesla. 2. ETFs. Exchange-traded funds allow you to invest in a mix of stocks at once. 3. Index funds. These track the overall market, like the S&P 500. Step-by-step guide 1. Choose a platform. Download a beginner-friendly app. Look for low fees and easy interfaces. 2. Set up your account. Link your bank account and verify your identity. It's simple and secure. 3. Start with an ETF or fractional share. For $100, consider investing in ETFs like VOO or buying fractional shares of a company you love. Importance of consistency. Investing isn't a one-time thing. Make it a habit. Even adding $20 every month can compound into a large amount over time. Tips for beginner investors. Quick tips. 1. Invest in what you understand. 2. Stay away from get-rich-quick schemes. 3. Think long-term, not short-term. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, subscribe, and comment below.